Hello everyone, welcome to Suresh Physics online classes. So let us discuss about magnetic field induction. In that first one we want to discuss and we want to find magnetic field induction at a point on a axial line of a bar magnet. So to calculate the magnetic field induction, let us consider a bar magnet. So this is a bar magnet. So this is suppose south pole and this is the north pole. So we know that the distance of north pole and south pole from the center is L because total length of the bar magnet is 2L. Suppose this is A and let us take this is B. Now let us consider a point P which is on a axial line of a bar magnet. So this is the axial line of bar magnet, we know that. So now let us consider a point P which is on axial line. P is the point which is on axial line of a bar magnet. So now the distance of the point P from the center of the bar magnet is, suppose let us take R. R is the distance of center of a bar magnet to point P. Now we know that the direction of magnetic field due to a north pole is always away from the north pole. And the direction of magnetic field due to the south pole is always towards the south pole. So here, when we observe the magnetic field at point P, so due to the north pole, the direction of magnetic field is Bn, which is in the direction. The magnetic field induction due to the south pole is, suppose Bs we have to take, so Bs is in this direction. So we can understand one thing here. Magnetic field Bn means a magnetic field induction due to north pole is acting in one direction, and magnetic field induction due to south pole is acting in one direction. So both are acting in an opposite direction. But we have to find what is the magnetic field induction, what is the resultant magnetic field induction at point P. We have to find. Generally, we know the formula for magnetic field induction. B is equal to, we know the formula, mu naught by 4 pi into m by d square or else. Suppose the pole strength of north pole, south pole is suppose minus m. So here, let us take this is plus m. So we know the formula for magnetic field induction. B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into m by r square. So this is the general formula. This is the general formula to find the magnetic field induction. So now let us calculate magnetic field induction due to the north pole at a point P. We have to calculate. So let us write magnetic field induction due to north pole, that is Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into pole strength of north pole is m by what distance you have to calculate. This is the point B now, P, suppose B to P. So you have to calculate B square. So distance is, you have to call it this distance only, now north pole to this point. You have to calculate. So Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi, m by, here from center to this point the distance is L. From this center to north pole the distance is L. So we need the distance between this point, nothing but north pole and point P. So here this is L and this is R and this is L. So which will be R minus L. So BP value becomes R minus L whole square. So this is the magnetic field induction due to a north pole. Now let us calculate magnetic field induction due to south pole. You have to calculate now. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into pole strength is m, and we have to consider the distance from this point to south pole. So from center to point P the distance is r. So from here to here the distance is L. So total distance becomes r plus L. So now that will be r plus L whole square. So this is the distance of AP square. So distance of AP square. Okay. So this is the magnetic field induction due to south pole and due to the north pole. See, the total magnetic field at point P, which is equal to B. So it can be B is equal to Bn minus Bs. Bn minus Bs, resultant magnetic field. So now let us substitute the values of Bn and Bs. What is the value of Bn? Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r minus L whole square minus ds value mu naught by 4 pi into m by r plus L whole square. So now B is equal to, let us take common mu naught m by 4 pi. Let us take common mu naught m by 4 pi. So what are the remaining terms here? 1 by r minus L whole square, 1 by r plus L whole square. These are the terms. So now, B is equal to mu naught m by 4 pi into, so r minus L whole square, r plus L whole square. Let us take common LCM, r square minus L square whole square by r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square. Okay. So B is equal to mu naught m by 4 pi into, what is that, r square, a square plus b square, nothing but a square plus L square plus 2rl minus r square minus L square minus 2rl, minus minus become plus by r square minus L square whole square. Okay. So r square cancel, L square cancel. So B is equal to mu naught m by 4 pi into 2rl plus 2rl, 4rl by r square minus L square whole square. Okay, so B is equal to mu naught m by 4 pi, mu naught m by 4 pi. So here 2rl is there now. So let us write 2 into 2 into 2l r by r square minus L square whole square. Okay. So B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi. So just you have to write 2 into m into small m into 2l into r by r square minus L square whole square. Okay, minus L whole square. Now B is equal to, so mu naught by 4 pi 2 into, we know that magnetic moment capital M is equal to m into 2l, we know the formula, pole strength into length of the bar magnet. So in place of m into 2l, what we can write? Capital M by r square minus L square whole square into r. Suppose if we take a small bar magnet instead of a long bar magnet, so the value means the length of the bar magnet, we know that 2l. So if 2l is less, then automatically L becomes very less. So when compared with the R, the value of less L is very less. So then neglect the L value. Then compare with the distance what we take from the center of bar magnet to point. So now B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2m into r by L, neglect no, r power 4 come, r power 4 will come. So B is equal to, we know that mu naught by 4 pi into, cancel now, 2m by r. So this is the magnetic field induction due to a point bar magnet at a point on a axial line of a bar magnet. Okay. Thank you.